This is gonna blow your mind. From the towering redwoods of Yosemite to the shimmering turquoise waters of the Great Barrier Reef, our planet is a tapestry woven with an astonishing array of landscapes, each more captivating than the last. Join us now, as we embark on a thrilling expedition to 15 of the most breathtaking destinations our world has to offer. We will traverse rugged canyons carved by ancient rivers, witness the raw power of nature in geysers that erupt with fiery fury, and lose ourselves in the vibrant tapestry of life teeming beneath the waves of the coral reefs. Our journey will take us from bustling cities that never sleep to tranquil islands where time seems to stand still. Prepare to be captivated by the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, the sun-drenched beaches of the Caribbean, and the sprawling savannas of Africa. Each destination holds a unique allure, a symphony of sights and sounds that will ignite your wanderlust and leave you breathless with awe. So fasten your seatbelts, adjust your binoculars, and get ready to explore the far corners of our magnificent planet. This is a journey you won't soon forget. Our journey begins in the heart of the American Southwest, where the Colorado River has spent millennia carving a masterpiece out of the Earth's crust. The Grand Canyon, a vast chasm of layered bands of red rock, stretches for 277 miles. As the sun rises, the rock formations glow with an almost ethereal light, their colors shifting from deep crimson to vibrant orange. From the canyon rim, the scale of this natural wonder is truly humbling. Adventurers from around the world are drawn to the challenge of exploring the canyon's depths. Here, amongst the towering cliffs, one can't help but feel a profound connection to the raw power and timeless beauty of the natural world. The Grand Canyon is more than just a geological marvel. It's a sanctuary for a surprising diversity of life. Bighorn sheep navigate the steep slopes, California condors soar on thermals high above, and delicate wildflowers add splashes of color to the arid landscape. It's a delicate ecosystem, carefully balanced and constantly evolving. We journey to Yellowstone, a geothermal wonderland where geysers erupt, hot springs shimmer, and bison roam freely. Beneath lies a supervolcano, a slumbering giant. Yellowstone is a testament to the wild beauty of the American West. From the raw wilderness of America's national parks, we turn our attention to a different kind of natural phenomenon, the sprawling metropolis of New York City. Here, amongst the towering skyscrapers and bustling avenues, a different kind of ecosystem thrives. The heart of this concrete jungle is Times Square, a dazzling spectacle of light and sound. 24 hours a day, the billboards blaze, illuminating the ceaseless flow of taxis and pedestrians below. It's a sensory overload, a testament to the city's frenetic energy. But New York also offers moments of tranquility. Central Park, a vast emerald oasis in the heart of Manhattan, provides respite from the urban clamor. Here, amidst the tree-lined paths and placid lakes, New Yorkers and visitors alike can find a moment of peace. And then there's the Statue of Liberty, a beacon of hope and freedom standing proudly in New York Harbor. For generations, she has welcomed newcomers to these shores, a symbol of the American dream and the promise of a new life. Our journey takes us now to the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, where a chain of volcanic islands rises dramatically from the waves. These are the Hawaiian Islands, a paradise born of fire and water. The island's volcanic origins are evident everywhere. Towering volcanoes, some still active, dominate the landscape, their slopes cloaked in lush rainforest. Molten lava flows down to meet the sea, creating new land and shaping the island's dramatic coastlines. But Hawaii is more than just volcanic spectacle. The islands boast some of the most pristine beaches on Earth, their white sands lapped by crystal-clear waters. Coral reefs teem with colorful marine life, offering a glimpse into an underwater world of astonishing beauty. And then there are the jungles, verdant and teeming with life. Here, exotic birds with plumage of every color flit through the trees, their calls echoing through the dense foliage. It is a land of vibrant beauty, a testament to the power and majesty of nature. From the volcanic islands of Hawaii, we travel to the rugged Sierra Nevada mountains of California, home to Yosemite National Park. Here granite cliffs rise thousands of feet into the sky, their sheer faces sculpted by the relentless forces of wind and ice. Yosemite is a land of giants. Towering sequoia trees, the largest living organisms on Earth, stand sentinel over the landscape, some over 2,000 years old. Their massive trunks, some wider than a bus, dwarf everything around them, a testament to the enduring power of nature. But it is the waterfalls that truly capture the imagination. From dizzying heights, they plunge down sheer rock faces, their waters crashing into the valleys below with a thunderous roar. Yosemite Falls, one of the highest waterfalls in North America, is a breathtaking spectacle, its misty plume visible for miles. And then there are the hiking trails, winding through meadows carpeted in wildflowers and along the rims of sheer cliffs. Each turn reveals a new vista, a new perspective on this landscape of immense scale and breathtaking beauty. And now we journey to the American South, to a city steeped in history and brimming with charm. Savannah, Georgia, where the past whispers through moss-draped oaks and cobblestone squares. A city that embodies the grace and hospitality of a bygone era. As we stroll through the historic district, we're greeted by elegant antebellum mansions, their wrought iron balconies adorned with blooming jasmine. Each building a testament to Savannah's rich past, whispering tales of cotton barons and southern belles. The heart of Savannah beats in its squares, verdant oases shaded by ancient live oaks. These squares, 22 in all, were once the center of social life, and today, they offer a tranquil respite from the bustling city. Here, beneath the canopy of leaves, one can almost imagine the gentle hum of conversation from days gone by. The air is thick with the scent of magnolias and the sound of horse-drawn carriages clattering over the cobblestones. Savannah's charm is undeniable, a captivating blend of history, beauty, and southern hospitality. From the gentle grace of Savannah, we travel now to the rugged wilderness of Montana. Here, amidst towering peaks and pristine lakes, lies Glacier National Park, a land sculpted by ice and time. Known as the crown of the continent, it's a breathtaking testament to the raw power of nature. Glacier's landscape is a tapestry of contrasts. Jagged mountain peaks pierce the clouds, their slopes cloaked in dense forests of pine and fir. Crystal-clear lakes reflecting the azure sky dot the valleys below, their waters teeming with life. High above, mountain goats navigate the treacherous cliffs with astonishing agility, while grizzly bears roam the forests below. The air is alive with the sound of rushing waterfalls, a symphony of nature that echoes through the valleys. This is a place where one can truly feel the pulse of the wild, where nature reigns supreme. A reminder of the awe-inspiring beauty and untamed spirit that still exists in our world. Our journey takes us now to the sun-drenched Aegean Sea, to a land of myth and legend. Santorini, a volcanic island sculpted by fire and shaped by the sea, rises dramatically from the azure waters like a vision from a dream. The island's iconic whitewashed villages cling precariously to the cliffs, their blue-domed churches shimmering under the endless Greek sun. Narrow, winding streets lined with vibrant bougainvillea lead to breathtaking vistas of the caldera, a reminder of the island's fiery past. As the sun begins its descent, the sky transforms into a canvas of fiery hues, casting a warm glow over the island. The air hums with the sound of laughter and conversation, as locals and visitors alike gather to witness this daily spectacle. Santorini is a feast for the senses, a harmonious blend of natural beauty, ancient history, and vibrant culture. It's a place where time seems to stand still, inviting us to slow down, breathe in the salty air, and savor the simple pleasures of life. And now we journey to the heart of Japan, to the ancient city of Kyoto. Here, amongst the bustling modern streets, whispers of a timeless past linger in the air. Kyoto, once the imperial capital, is a city where history and nature intertwine. It's a place where ancient temples stand as silent guardians, their wooden beams weathered by centuries of sun and rain. The air, especially in spring, is filled with the sweet scent of cherry blossoms, their delicate pink petals carpeting the ground like a layer of freshly fallen snow. And in the heart of the city, amidst the urban sprawl, lie serene bamboo forests, their towering stalks swaying gently in the breeze, a testament to the enduring power of nature. We now venture from the bustling cities into the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean to a world teeming with life below the waves, the Great Barrier Reef. Stretching for over 1,400 miles, this intricate network of coral reefs is the largest living structure on Earth, visible even from space. Here, in this underwater metropolis, a dazzling array of marine life thrives. Schools of brightly colored fish dart amongst the coral, their scales shimmering like jewels in the sunlight that penetrates the water's surface. Graceful sea turtles glide effortlessly through the coral gardens, while sharks, the apex predators of this realm, patrol their underwater domain. The sheer diversity of life here is a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Our journey now takes us high into the Andes Mountains of South America, to a place shrouded in mystery and legend, the ancient Incan city of Machu Picchu. Perched precariously on a mountain ridge, shrouded in mist and clouds, this lost city lay hidden from the world for centuries, a testament to the ingenuity and architectural prowess of the Inca people. As the morning mist lifts, revealing the city in all its glory, one can't help but feel a sense of awe at the sheer scale and grandeur of this ancient citadel. The intricate stonework, the terraced fields clinging to the mountainside, the temples pointing towards the heavens, all speak of a civilization deeply connected to the natural world and the cosmos. From the air, we see a city unlike any other. Dubai, a beacon of modern architecture, rises from the desert sands of the Arabian Peninsula. Here, towering skyscrapers pierce the clouds, a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. But Dubai is not just a city of steel and glass, it's a place where ancient traditions meet modern extravagance. Venture beyond the city limits, and you'll find yourself in a vast and unforgiving desert. Here, amidst the rolling dunes, the spirit of old Arabia still thrives. Bedouin tribes, with their deep connection to the land, continue to roam the desert as they have for centuries, and as the sun sets, casting long shadows across the sand dunes, we witness a spectacle as old as time itself. The silent, mesmerizing dance of the desert winds. Few cities in the world capture the imagination quite like Venice. Built upon a network of canals and islands, this Italian city seems to float upon the water, its reflection shimmering in the gentle waves. Here, time seems to move at a different pace. The gentle splash of oars and the melodic calls of gondoliers echo through the narrow waterways. Elegant bridges arch gracefully over the canals, connecting the city's many islands and offering breathtaking views of its timeless beauty. For centuries, Venice has been a city of romance, art, and culture. Its palaces and churches stand as testaments to a rich and storied past. And as the sun begins its slow descent, casting a warm glow upon the city's terracotta rooftops, one cannot help but be captivated by the magic that is Venice. And now, we journey to the southernmost tip of Africa, to a city where nature has sculpted a breathtaking landscape. Cape Town, a vibrant metropolis between mountains and the Atlantic Ocean. Table Mountain stands as a testament to geological forces, its peak often shrouded in swirling clouds. From its summit, one can behold a panorama encompassing the city, coastline, and ocean. But Cape Town's allure extends beyond its mountain. The Cape Peninsula, a slender finger of land, is a tapestry of cliffs, coves, and beaches. Here the Atlantic meets the Indian Ocean, creating a diverse marine ecosystem. We find ourselves amidst a kaleidoscope of life, from playful seals basking on the shore to pods of dolphins leaping through the waves. And if we are fortunate, we might even catch a glimpse of the ocean's gentle giants, the southern right whales, as they migrate these waters to breed and calve. Our journey now takes us across the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, to a place that exists as if plucked from a dream. Bora Bora, a jewel of an island in the heart of French Polynesia, beckons with its promise of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Here, turquoise lagoons, so vibrant they appear almost unreal, are embraced by coral reefs teeming with life. Above the surface, verdant peaks, remnants of an ancient volcano, pierce the azure sky, their slopes cloaked in lush tropical vegetation. And it is upon these pristine waters that we find perhaps the most iconic symbol of Bora Bora, the overwater bungalows. These luxurious abodes, perched on stilts above the lagoon, offer a truly immersive experience, allowing visitors to step directly from their private decks into the warm embrace of the Pacific. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the lagoon, the sky erupts in a symphony of color, painting the heavens in hues of orange, pink, and purple. It is a sight that speaks of the very essence of paradise, a moment of pure magic that lingers long in the memory. From the towering grandeur of the Grand Canyon to the serene beauty of Kyoto's bamboo forests, from the vibrant energy of New York City to the tranquil paradise of Bora Bora, we have journeyed to some of the most remarkable destinations our planet has to offer. Each location, with its own unique character and charm, has left an indelible mark on our collective memory, reminding us of the awe-inspiring diversity and splendor of our world. As we conclude our exploration, we are left with a profound sense of wonder and a renewed appreciation for the beauty that surrounds us. But the journey doesn't end here. There are countless other destinations waiting to be discovered, each with its own story to tell, its own secrets to reveal. So, let us continue to explore, to seek out new adventures, and to marvel at the wonders of our planet. Which destination sparked your wanderlust? Share your dream trip with us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.